Okay, so this part is going to connect with this part at the next, when it's finished. But again, you will have to make 2 of these. So these are all the pieces, just to make sure this is like that twisty, or like that one that turns for this. I don't know what it's called, but yeah. So you will need to make 2 of these, but there is a difference with the orientation of it, and I will show you that at the end of this part. So yeah, just watch out for that. But they use the same pieces though. So let's begin. Putting this on the stand. Okay. So to begin, the main part is to start with this. This is going to be the central part of it. So what you do is take this 2x4 snot piece that's on a hedge or whatever, place it on top like that. Doesn't matter if this is facing up or down right now, but I guess just leave it like that. Then you take a 1x4 hedge snot piece and place it like so. So it ends up looking like this. Next, take a slanted 1x2 grill, place it on this side, like so. Boom. So this side will end up being the back, and this side will end up being the front later on. Okay, so we're gonna build probably the top, so this side. So for that part, you'll need a 2x6, then a 1x2 slanted flat piece. Place it on top like that, so it's on the front. Then you'll need another slanted piece of gray color. Place it right there. Next, you'll need a 1x2 plate. Place it like that on top. Then you need 2 1x2 slanted with a brick thing. I don't know what these pieces are called, so sorry if I'm bumbling the names. But yeah, just place 2 of them like that, or just get a 2x2 one actually, whichever one. Then you'll need a 2x2 brick. Place it on the back like this. Next, take another of the same slanted piece and place it on top right here. Then you can use a 2x2 plate or one with a hole in the middle. It doesn't really matter. This is just so that then you could place a 2x2 plate and place it, or 2x2 tile and place it like that. And then that will go just about, yeah. So look at the reference right here, like that. But it's flat this side. Okay, next part. You will need 2 of these 3x4, I think. Yeah, 3x4s. With the 4 in the middle. You could get them from like minifigure series, I think. They always have a stand for them. Yeah, you can get them for those. But yeah, just take 2 of them, stack them like that. Then take a 2x4, right, and it's like a curved 2x2 thingy piece. Place it on the front like that. Then you'll need a 1x2 grail piece, place it right here. Next, you'll need, well, first a 1x2, place it on the back like that, and then take two 1x3s and place them right on top of each of them. Make sure they're both flat, but yeah, that's how it should be. Then take it and place it so that it's on the right side or on the left side. This is basically sorry, this is the left leg, so it should be on this side, yeah. So yeah, make sure it's on that side. Oh, sorry, placed it wrong. It goes in the middle like that. Then you'll need a 1x1 with a grip piece thing. Make sure it's pointing that way. Then you'll need well, you could change this obviously. This web piece, this specific one is from Spiting His Amazing Friends. This gold one, it's for Leopardon's legs, but it's originally used for Spiting His Amazing Friends, the most recent ones with the gold suits. But yeah, you could use whichever web piece really. You could change this up, but this is what I use. So then you place this part like that, make sure it's in the middle, and then this part should be like so. And then that should be, well, I won't put it on yet, but save it. The last part is the back part. So what you need is another one of these minifigure series 3x4 pieces. Then take your 1x3, place it on the back like that. Then take a slanted 1x1 tile piece like that. Make sure it's pointing this way. And yep, like that. Then you'll need the famous Among Us piece. Sorry to say it, but yeah, it goes right here in the front like that. Then take a 1x2, like a rounded 1x2, like the ones with the holes. Place it right here like that, and then a curved 1x2, place it right in the center there. Then you could take a circular 1x1 tile and place it on top like that. Next, take a 1x1 with the grip thing, and then 1x2. Place them on top of a 1x4, like so, and then take a 1x1 piece, place it right here in the back. Lastly, take a 2x4 tile and place it like this on this side. And then when you connect them, make sure but this is on this side for now. So let me actually get the, so the only difference for the other one is the orientation. So obviously this is a left leg, so, and this goes on the back like this. So this is left, and then the right one is the same thing, but just opposite. So you really only have to switch these two, the sides of these two, and then you'll have to change the sides of these two. Everything else is the same. All the pieces are the same for this. But yeah, it's just flipping it basically. And yeah. Okay, so yeah, and then for the other part, this web piece thing, so for the left side and then for the right side is just moving this to the other side rather than this side. Everything else is the same. And then, yeah. So now connecting these three, you just first take this piece and place it like this, so that it's on this side. And make sure this is facing upwards right now, but, or downwards upwards right now, but yeah. Then take this piece and then align it so that this part's here, but make sure these two, I can't really get that close, are aligned, and then click them together. Okay, like so. So these two are the same like that, and that's the whole thing for the left part. Now, I'll probably do that. Okay, to connect them, you'll probably have to find the, I'll probably make a video of how to connect all the pieces anyways, but it's fairly simple to connect this part to the other part. But yeah, just make two of these, and just on opposite legs. I'll move this up a bit. So it should look like this. And that's it for that part.